What's up, YouTube? This is Andrew Brown here. Today is 2013 Jimmy McMurray NASCAR Cessna NASCAR Salutes 2013 limited edition. See the front, to the side, see the barcode of the product, the main Gold Series Action Racing Collectibles, still the choice of champions, and here's the diecast. You see Cessna, a Textron company. Let's turn to the side. You see the contingencies, and this is a scale 1/64. You see the 2013 version of number 1. You see McDonald's right there, Siemens, and other sponsorships right there. To the rear end, you see Cessna Textron Company, Battle Boy Buggies, Best Pro Shops, Lift Masters, and sponsorships that's on the B post. I see Best Pro Shops right there. Turn to the back. To the deck lid, you see Hellman's 100 year of mayonnaise. See the one, and Cessna sponsorship on the roof. On the back, see Cessna. Underneath the left taillight, see Bell helicopter. See the SS emblem. See Cessna and number 1 on the right taillight. Let's turn to the side, right side. See the regular sponsorships from the left side are still there. Still see. And see you later, YouTube. Bye.